and welcome to the Great Indian Tamasha. I am Prem Tarneja, and thank goodness Holi is here. With the amount of grime this election has generated, we can all do with getting drenched. On the show today, bye. Vote shopping is in full swing. There's an unholy alliance between Holi and politics, and Anna Hazare strikes again. But first, with the change of season, we are observing some strange new changes in the behavior of that unique creature, the Indian politician. Whether it's Akhilesh Yadav announcing new infrastructure projects or Jayalalitha handing out more mixies, there's a burst of activity all around. It's such a sharp contrast from the usual state of lethargy, and it lasts for such little time, it really demands a scientific inquiry.
The political jungle, a land of proud and lazy creatures, hibernating for as long as 5 years at a time. These lords and ladies of the forest love nothing more than resting on their ill-gotten gains. April 2014 arrives. Pushed out of their caves by the rising heat of the general elections, they become active like never before.
We'll give you women empowerment. We'll give you youth power.
We'll give you so many laptops, and when we'll come to bar,
I'm going to give you so many free mixers and grinders.
We'll give you women empowerment.
And so, life in the jungle enters a new phase.
I will definitely.
board or cycle.
But after April, the circle will complete, and everyone can go back to sleep.
Yes, so enjoy it while you can. More importantly, try not to fall for it. However, the fight between the public's wits and politicians' campaigns is not really a fair fight. It's hard for voters to resist a full-blown election campaign backed by money and media, which is why when a politician pulls the wool over ordinary people's eyes, I'm not so impressed. What is impressive is when a lone old man makes a fool of politicians. Now that's proof of some truly deadly charm. Mamata Banerjee is only his latest victim, and poor Didi. This wasn't like your date standing you up at a nearby coffee shop. Mamata came all the way from Kolkata to the Ram Leela Maidan only to discover that the man who invited her hadn't come himself. So, watch this and watch out.
Dhoka! That's the word that's reverberating around the streets. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, beware! Some kind of confidence trickster is on the loose. His old age will disarm you. His endearing speech patterns will win your hearts. And then, Dhoka! We have with us the two most recent victims.
I don't know what happened. He was patting my back all the time. I started to move forward. Then suddenly I felt an intense pain in my back. His patting had become stabbing. Now I can't trust anybody again.
Yes, that shows!
I still respect him. No. I still have faith.
But he stood you up. He let you down.
Ori Baba, it's too difficult to talk about. Oh, what? Am I in Kolkata? Oh no! Please take me back to Kolkata. Here everyone is Maoist. No, I don't believe anyone.
As you can see, this man does some serious damage. So be careful. Don't be naive and watch who you take support from.
Hello, my friend. Vande Matram.
Oh, Anna!
Why so nervous, mere dost? You know, I have been watching your career for a long time. You are not like other journalists, bike hue. You are an honest man.
You noticed that? You know, I always feel I was never taken seriously enough.
That will change now, my friend. I am looking for a media partner. If you know what I mean.
Yeah.
मेरे साथ आओ, लाइफ बना दूंगा.
Oh, okay, Anna, okay. Wow, Anna Hazare endorses me. Woohoo! Dance se mat dekhiye.
I guess Anna Hazare has some commitment issues. Maybe he feels nobody is good enough for him to support. or that they're a bit too good for him to support, if you know what I mean. After all, if there's one thing that Indian politics teaches us, it's that our old people love to hog the limelight. But speaking of commitment issues, us voters have them too. I mean, when everybody out there is a potential crook, how can we possibly know whom to support? Well, perhaps one way to ease the dilemma is not to believe everything you read. For example, the recent viral video showing Arvind Kejriwal discussing interview questions with a news anchor was touted as a shocking example of some kind of malpractice. As an anchor myself, I know it's absolutely normal. However, while other politicians aren't any holier than Kejriwal when it comes to such interactions, they are more entertaining.
And we'll be right back with more from AAP Chief Arvind Kejriwal after the break.
सर जी सुनिए, don't ask me about corporates and privatization. सब बोलेंगे he is anti-business and all that. Let's talk about other issues.
Oh, okay. We'll talk about the poor then, no?
हाँ बिल्कुल.
What? Why are you all looking shocked? अरे ये तो रोज का है भाई. I remember just the other day. After the break, we continue our conversation with Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi. Went well, na, Rahul?
Oh, yeah. But when you play this interview, just cut the part where I was talking about women's empowerment, huh?
But Rahul, how can I cut that part, yeah?
Oof, just cut it, please. And also the parts about my family. Play all the other lovely things I've said.
But Rahul, there is nothing else you have said.
सुनो
जी
आधा इंटरव्यू हो गया है and you have still not touched the real issue.
But we have talked about development, secularism, Narendra Modi
And other irrelevant subjects. Why are you not telling me that I deserve to be PM? If I say it, it looks bad, na? But you should say it. And then I can talk about it. समझा करो दोस्त.
Sorry Advani ji. It's a thankless job.
Yes, tell me about it. To deal with all that and then be called paid media. It really is a bit unfair, you know. Not that there is no such thing as paid media. Of course, this is, after all, the costliest general election in history and one of the costliest in the world. Something like 300 billion rupees are going to be spent in overall campaigning. That's a lot of money, and it buys you a lot of things. In fact, the election's own economy is so very thriving, I wonder if anyone will care about the real economy after they've had their fill of this.
Oh, so much money to spend and so little time. Come on, go Arun, go.
Let's see. Aeroplanes, industrialists and advertisements bought already. Just what we need.
Welcome sir. Business is booming. You are my second customer of the day. पता है?
Who was the first? Hello, I'd like to buy some fruits and vegetables, please.
Go away, sir जी. सब बिक चुका. अजी पूरा देश बिक चुका.
What?
कुछ ना बचा.
Time now for a break. On the other side, you've heard of the AAP. Now meet PAP, PAAP. See you in just a few minutes.